Good morning from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Gaylord, Michigan. This is the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Thursday, October the 3rd, 2013. A recap of the hazardous weather highlights for the next several days. There is a chance for thunderstorms across northern Michigan, mainly from Friday afternoon through Sunday. Starting out with the overnight weather map, we do have a retreating area of high pressure that's across the Great Lakes and back into the Atlantic coast. To our west, we have an area of developing low pressure across the plains and nosing up into the western Great Lakes here this morning. Out ahead of the system, we do have a narrow corridor of showers and even a few thunderstorms from Minnesota and Wisconsin up into Lake Superior here this morning. This area of rainfall is expected to kind of work its way into eastern upper Michigan and perhaps into the tip of the mid areas here as we go through the morning hours, although we do expect the rainfall to kind of diminish as it works its way in here. Stepping through the forecast weather map, as we get into tonight, that area of low pressure will continue to nose into the western Great Lakes with a warm front lifting up into lower Michigan. As this occurs, we do expect an increasing moisture, low-level moisture, and coupled with the front, to bring about the chance for showers across northern Michigan as we go through the daytime hours today. And as we get into tonight, especially with rain chances increasing, especially tonight, as that warm front lifts up into the area. The unsettled weather will continue right into Friday morning as that first wave of low pressure works through lower Michigan, and that warm front remains draped across lower Michigan as well. And then by Friday evening, a stronger wave of low pressure is expected to develop across the plains and begin to work its way up into the western Great Lakes as well. Rain chances will continue across northern Michigan Friday evening. But as we get into Saturday, and especially into Saturday night, that next area of low pressure lifts up into the Great Lakes region, and this will probably be the best chances for rainfall, at least the most widespread rainfall across northern Michigan, basically from Saturday night into Sunday morning as that area of low pressure lifts up through the area. Later Sunday and going into Monday morning, that area of low pressure lifts north into Ontario, with a cold front then sweeping across the Great Lakes region by Monday morning. And this will finally bring at least a break in the rainfall across the area later Sunday and as we get into Monday morning. So again, they look like we're the best, a bit unsettled for the next few days as we go through the weekend, with the best rain chances probably occurring Saturday night going into Sunday. As far as the precipitation forecast for the next 5 days, this covers the period for today through Tuesday morning. Most widespread and the heaviest rainfall is expected to set up from the northern plains into Wisconsin and into northern Michigan through this time frame. So wrapping it all up, unsettled weather, much wetter from today and right on through the weekend. And again, there's best chances right now look to be basically Saturday to Sunday. Several periods of rain and even the possibility for some thunderstorms right on through Sunday and the early part of Monday. But for today, mainly cloudy skies and again those increasing rain chances. Daytime high temperatures today will range from the lower 60s across upper Michigan to the lower 70s across central lower Michigan. And recapping the hazards outlook once again, thunderstorms are possible, and mainly from Friday afternoon right on through the day Sunday as that front sweeps on through the area. Severe storms are not expected at this time. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thanks for listening in. The next update will occur around 5 p.m. this afternoon.